Hi guys. Mom said that you liked your book that I read you last night, so I thought I'd read you another book. How about we read How Do Dinosaurs Love Their Dogs? How does a dinosaur keep his dog clean? Does he scrub it too hard? Does he act really mean? Does he forget to leave food in its bowl? Does he dig up the bones from the dog's hidey hole? Does he never remember to take it outside? Does he jump on its back for a piggyback ride? No, a dinosaur washes his dog in the tub, some soft gentle soap, and a soft careful rub. He feeds it and walks it each day without fail. And gives it a stroke from its head to its tail. He throws it a stick, or a bone, or a ball, and rewards it whenever it comes to his call. Look, that dinosaur has a horn on its head. Just like you, Reese. He loves his dear doggie and does every chore. Pet it now. Bow wow wow. Good dinosaur. The end. I hope you guys like that story. Maybe I'll read you another. I love you. Oh yeah, Eli. Who else do you see in this video? Do you see Woody? Do you see Rex? Rawr! How about Buzz Lightyear? To infinity and beyond! I love you.